let's go to Miss Lillian Smokehouse.
You know, that's a place we've never ate at before here at Dollywood.
Never. And I don't know why, but let's go try it out. I hear some good things.
Let's go on this food adventure that rocks. Yeah, we've never been inside Miss Lillian Smokehouse. Before we go inside, let's check out what Miss Lillian serves. I mean, we know chicken's definitely got to be on the menu. So you can get pulled chicken, pulled pork sandwiches, even smoked brisket, a bustin' spud. Chef's got assorted desserts. And your dinners include smoked pulled chicken, smoked pulled pork, or you can get the entree, the combo. That's probably what I'm gonna get, and look at the sides. But enough of this, let's go inside. When you first walk in, look to the left and look at this. You're gonna see all kinds of memories and mementos of Miss Lillian, Dolly there, all kinds. Look at that caricature done of her. But yep, you want to see Miss Lillian? Hey, there's our friend Mary. Look at that with Miss Lillian. Ooh, I wonder if they used to sell that coffee cup. The crazy chicken lady. But yeah, all these fun memories and pictures that Miss Lillian has. Just before you walk to place your order, it's cool because it's like you're getting introduced into like Miss Lillian's like kitchen area. And look, they got bread, and they got, of course, your chickens with the chicken eggs. And you're gonna see chickens all over the place as you place your order and get ready to sit down. Andy, tell us what you got, because look at the size of this potato.
Yeah, so what he did is like he put like butter inside a baked potato. He put cheese, and then he topped it with the brisket. You could choose between brisket, pulled pork, or pulled chicken. And of course, did the brisket because that looks so good. And then he put barbecue sauce on, and I asked him, I don't think they usually do, but I asked him if he could put some more cheese on top. Look at the sauce.
Yeah.
It is so heavy. It is so, I can't wait to dig into
And
this.
they call this the bustin' spub here at Miss Lillian's. I got the 2 meat entree. So I got pulled chicken because, hey, it's the chicken lady. I got pulled pork, green beans, mac and cheese, coleslaw, and this plate is even really heavy. So they pack it with a lot of food here at Miss Lillian's Smokehouse. Look at that. That just looks delicious. I'm enjoying the mac and cheese. Sandy's gonna go in for it and let us know what you think.
Oh my goodness.
It is so creamy.
That is good.
Miss Lillian knows how to make some mac and cheese for sure. I love how they even have this old crank phone in here. The fireplace is going inside the sit-down dining room here at Miss Lillian's. And just to give you an idea on the seating, and of course it's a little cold out and that's why they got the covers all down, but in the springtime they'll be open up for some open air type seating in here with some great views of the park.
All right.
Does Miss Lillian's have ice cream, Sandy?
It's not ice cream. This is actually whipped cream on top of strawberry shortcake.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm very curious. It looks so good. And I was like, ooh, what is this? And they also have like an Oreo cake. But I decided to go with the strawberry shortcake, which is very, very good.
Strawberry shortcake at Miss Lillian's Smokehouse.
This is really good.
That was good.
Wow, that was a good potato. And that mac and cheese, yum, creamy deliciousness. No, Dollyliciousness. What did you say?
Dollylicious.
Dollylicious.
Or Miss Lillian-licious, because,
I know,
yeah.
Really, that's even better. No.
Yeah, I enjoyed everything, but yeah, that mac and cheese, that strawberry shortcake,
Yeah, that was really, really, really good.
you know, I really enjoyed my pulled chicken and barbecue.
Yeah, like the brisket.
Yeah,
That was a
so
good meal,
if you're
definitely.
here and they're open, definitely stop in at Miss Lillian's Smokehouse. We hope you enjoyed this adventure. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next, but you can be rest assured we're going to be at Dollywood a lot.
Yes, we love Dollywood.
Be sure to make each and every day, including those with chicken blessings, an adventure that rocks. Till next time, Miss Lillian. Till next time. Chicken blessings, Miss Lillian. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're going to put those links also in the description down below.